So this is the sample holder. Okay, you have to keep 3 samples at a time after 28 days of curing to measure the depth of penetration of water under pressure as per IS 9162 part 2. So first we have to lose these bolts and we have to keep the sample. After keeping the sample, we have to open this valve to remove the water. After that, keeping the sample, we have to, with the help of wrench, we have to tighten this. After that, so this is the water column. So we have to remove this and we have to fill the water in this water column. After pouring the water in this water column, we have to close this bottom valve. After closing this bottom valve, we have to on this valve, as the water from the water column is going to be penetrated into this tube. After that, we have to start the compressor and we have to apply the pressure here. We have to apply the pressure. So these are the pressure dial gauges. We have to apply 5 kg per centimeter square or 71.2 psi. We have to apply the pressure for 72 hours. After that, we have to remove the samples and we have to keep in CTM machine, compressor testing machine, with the help of rod keeping on the top surface of the cube. It is going to be divided into 2 equal parts and we have to measure the depth of water with the help of scale, metric scale, in terms of mm. So that depth of water penetration should be less than 25 mm as per code IS 9162 part 2.
వెనకాల
నుంచి ఇది ఓపెన్ చేయాలి సార్, ఏదైనా వాటర్ ఉంటే వచ్చింది. ఓకే, క్లోజ్ చేద్దామా? టైట్ చేయాలి. లెన్స్ ఉందా?
అయితే
So this is the concrete sample holding assemble. We are keeping the samples, concrete cubes of standard size 150 mm. So 150 mm samples. So we have to pour the water in the water column with the help of washer bottle. Slowly. Slow, please. Slow.
slowly.
Okay. Now the water has been filled into this water column. You can see here up to here 36 we have filled the water. We have kept 2 cubes here, cube 1 and this cube 2. So next we have to on the compressor. We have to on this. We have to on this. On the compressor. On the compressor. So we have to on the pressure. So now the pressure has been applied. We have to open this pressure gauge, pressure valve. Now the pressure is going to be applied to the tube. So you can see here the pressure 5.2 kg per centimeter square. Similarly for this first tube, similarly for second tube, we have to on the pressure gauge, pressure valve. So here also 6 kg per centimeter square, and we have to maintain 5 kg per centimeter square. We have to apply 72 hours continuously or else 24 hours. for about 24 hours. We have to, so now the pressure and the water that is going to be applied on this tube, so after 24 hours or 72 hours, applying constant temperature of about 5 kg per centimeter square. We have to, so this is the pressure knob. After 24 hours, the same pressure is going to be maintained here. So after that, we have to take out these cubes, these concrete cubes, and we have to test for, we have to keep in CTM machine to make into 2 equal parts, and with the help of scale, we have to measure the depth of penetration of water under pressure as per IS code 9162 part 2, that should be less than 25 mm. So in the next part, we are going to see how we can calculate the depth of penetration of water under pressure